Greetings, Dean Jones, Dr. Kim, and the Tenure and Promotion Committee members. I am presenting to you my digital dossier for Tenure and Promotion Third Year Review. This digital dossier includes my executive summary, teaching and advising, research and scholarship, and service evidence for your review. This dossier can be explored by clicking on the links in the menu bar to the left. Each section is listed according to the checklist provided on the first page. But as you scroll through each of these items, you will see the documents that are presented as well as links. You want to make sure that you touch on links that are available, as they may provide some additional information. Once you click on the menu to the left, you'll also see pages to the right that gives you specific items for your review. As such, this is the executive summary page, and as you scroll down, you'll see the information there for your observations and recommendations. Each link has their own page, and you would have to click on it. As in for references, for this particular one, you can see that you can also download these documents that is presented on the page. Additionally, I've also provided additional links down at the bottom on different pages. So you may have a document at the top as well as supporting documents at the bottom. But each section is accessible again by clicking on the link to the left as well as clicking on each section to the right. As you review, please note any recommendations that you may have for me. You can post those as well down at the bottom of the page, or you can certainly send me direct information through emails. I look forward to your comments, suggestions, review, and recommendations. Thank you so very much for your time.